I'm going to introduce you to color. So the first thing you need to know is about the color wheel. The color wheel is a tool for organizing color. Between red and blue is violet, and there's some other colors in there as well. Between violet and red is red-violet. We'll learn about them later, but I just want you to get familiar with them. Between blue and violet is blue-violet. Between blue and yellow, you have green. But between blue and green, you have blue-green, and between yellow and green is yellow-green. And between yellow and red is orange, and between yellow and orange is yellow-orange, and between red and orange is red-orange. So this is a great way to help you organize the colors to know where things are located. Red, yellow, and blue, they're called the primary colors, and if I connect them like this, it makes a little bit of a triangle. Nothing else can make these colors. They are found in nature. You cannot go to the store and buy two colors and mix them together to make red. You can make variations of red and yellow and blue by mixing colors, but you can't make pure red. But if you mix the primary colors together, red plus yellow, you can make the secondary colors. So red plus yellow is orange. Yellow plus blue is green, and red plus blue is violet. Those are the secondary colors. And if I go back to my color wheel and I connect those together, I make another triangle. Now, we can make the primary colors, mix them together to make the secondary, but we can also use our color wheel and divide our color wheel in half to make the warm and the cool colors. So red, yellow, and orange are the warm colors. When you have an artwork and you use red, yellow, and orange, they pop out at you. They look close to you. Whereas the cool colors, violet and blue and green, they look farther away in an artwork. And if I look at my color wheel again, and I draw a line on it, I could separate the warm side and the cool side, which is pretty neat to do. Then you have something called complementary colors. Complementary colors are opposite on a color wheel. So for example, red plus green are opposite on a color wheel, yellow and violet, and blue and orange. So if I look at my color wheel here, red and green, they're directly across from each other. We have orange and blue directly across from each other, yellow and violet directly across from each other. They are opposite. Here's the thing with opposite colors, complementary colors. When you mix them together, they neutralize each other. They start to make them look a little bit more dull. If you mix red and green together, you also make brown. So instead of using brown out of a bottle of paint, you can mix them together and make your own brown, which is pretty neat to do. And then there are analogous colors on the color wheel. Analogous colors are 3 in a row. So how do you find them? They are next to each other on a color wheel. So blue, blue, violet, violet. It's like they're a family. Blue, blue, green, green. Any 3 colors next to each other. So red, red, violet, violet, blue, blue, green, green. Any 3 colors. And that's a little bit about the color wheel to get you started. But it is a great tool and a great way to organize colors so that you can learn more about what works well together when you create an artwork.